So yeah, this week I'm going to be reviewing the official Adobe Reader app, which Adobe just released. I think it was only a matter of a few days ago. It's been pretty quick. They just came out with an official app. You might know there's been some other apps on the market that do PDF reading, which is what these documents are. Anything that you see that ends with a .pdf that usually in your browser takes a long time to load.
Yeah.
You know. But there's been some stuff coming out in the market for a while, uh, coming at it from the open source perspective, because there's a lot of options out there already to read PDFs. You don't really need a Adobe approved reader to read them. The other ones work just fine, but Adobe's really brought some other things to this that really kind of go above and beyond, like pretty much every other PDF reader I've tried. So like right now, I was using Quick Office to read PDF documents, and Quick Office is really good. But on the Adobe Reader, they have a bunch of other cool stuff, like the pinch to zoom, which you see on Quick Office. But they also have this really cool feature called Reflow, which it kind of zooms in the text and it takes out all the paragraph styling and makes it fit onto your screen, so that if you're actually reading through a PDF document for the content instead of skimming, this makes it much more like an e-reader on your phone. So I don't know, it's very convenient because on a small device like this, when you're trying to read PDFs which are formatted to be read on a screen or printed out on a page, this really kind of brings it to the platform in a way that just pinch zooming doesn't really do. You
Yeah.
know, so I'm pretty impressed, I gotta say. It's got some other cool stuff too, like keyboard shortcuts. So if you have a physical keyboard on your phone, then you can use it. And I don't know, there's not really much else to say about it. It's a surprisingly good app. I kind of went into it thinking, Adobe released their own branded, PDF reader for Android, big deal.
Right.
How great can it be? And I gotta say, I was honestly pretty impressed with it. So I recommend it. It's free. Just search for Adobe in the market, or you can search for Adobe Reader.
And